Before you dive into buying EPP Times, there are some essential things you need to know to make sure you're getting the best deal and the right software for your needs. I'm going to cover 7 crucial points, and by the end, you'll know whether or not this is the right choice for you. Stick with me, because I'm going to share insider insights that could save you both time and money. First things first, EPP. Times stands out because it offers a unique blend of features not found in many competitors. While other tools focus heavily on basic functions, EPP Times goes beyond by integrating analytics, reporting, and performance tracking in one seamless dashboard. I've used several similar platforms, and while they might check off the basics, none of them pull everything together quite as effectively as EPP Times does. That's why, if you're serious about optimizing your workflow, you're in the right place. Next thing, one major selling point is its user-friendly interface. If you've ever tried other software like it, you know some of these tools can feel like a maze. EPP Times is different. It's intuitive, easy to navigate, and designed to be up and running in no time. With many competitors, you'll spend hours, if not days, figuring out how to use the platform. But with EPP Times, you get to the action faster, meaning you can actually focus on what matters. The third thing is pricing. EPP Times is very competitively priced compared to other industry leaders. Some competitors hide costs behind tiers of premium features, leaving you with a confusing pricing structure. Not so with EPP Times. Their transparent pricing is straightforward, so you'll know exactly what you're getting for your investment. Plus, I've found their customer support to be quick to respond and genuinely helpful, which, as anyone who's dealt with frustrating support knows, is a huge win. The fourth thing, customer support, like I just mentioned, is a big part of the EPP Times experience. Unlike other platforms where it's a struggle to get a hold of someone, EPP Times offers responsive 24/7 support. Whether it's via live chat or their comprehensive help center, you're never left hanging. I've had to reach out a couple of times, and each time my questions were answered promptly and thoroughly. The fifth thing to consider is its integrations. EPP Times integrates smoothly with a wide range of third-party tools that many competitors either don't offer or charge extra for. If you're using other platforms in your workflow, you'll find that EPP Times plays nicely with them, saving you the headache of having to manually enter data or, even worse, switching between platforms. It's all in one place, and that saves time and effort. Next, the sixth thing you need to know is the scalability. As your business grows, so does the software. EPP Times is scalable and designed to support both small businesses and large enterprises. I've personally seen how it adapts from a simple dashboard for solo users to a robust system for larger teams. Other platforms don't always scale well, which is a significant limitation for growing businesses, but EPP Times seems to handle both ends of the spectrum effortlessly. And finally, the last thing I want to highlight is the trial period. If you're on the fence about EPP Times, they offer a completely free trial, so you can test out all the features before committing. Unlike many competitors who put a cap on their trial or make it hard to cancel, EPP Times is completely transparent with this process. You can dive into the platform, see if it fits your needs, and make an informed decision without any pressure. If you're thinking about trying EPP Times for yourself, click the first link in the description below. You'll get the best free trial offer available, along with some exclusive benefits that will make your experience even better. Don't wait. This could be the game-changing tool you've been looking for.